I get asked all the time by people what to do with their ideas. Often they've had an initial thought, they've done some research, maybe done some rough prototypes, but they don't know what to do next. Well, it's quite simple. You need the skills of a professional product designer to take into account materials, ergonomics, cost-effective manufacture, and to turn what you've got into something that is a production-ready set of CAD files and a manufacturing specification that a manufacturer can then look at, cost, and eventually take into production. Now, we would not suggest that anyone goes into production of their product until you have some market research that proves that there's a need for your product and that people are prepared to pay the right price that will make you a commercial return on your investment. But often you can't do that research until you have the cost for the product from the manufacturer. And to get the cost for the product, you do need the design worked out and refined for production. And that's where your specialist product designer comes in. Once you have validated the concepts and you've either got a retailer interested or you've got some potential customers lined up or your crowdfunding campaign has run successfully and you've got initial orders, that's the time you can then look to place your order with your manufacturer. It's critical that your design has been value engineered at that point to ensure that it'll be cost effective to produce. Often we find that we can take out tens of thousands of pounds of production setup costs for things like injection mold tools by clever redesign of the product. Also, we can significantly reduce the overall unit cost that you're paying by, again, merging components, simplifying the overall assembly of the product, or reducing the use of materials. And this really is the value that a good product designer will add. I hope that's been helpful. If you've got an idea and you want to talk through how to develop your specific product and how to get a bespoke development plan, then make sure you get in touch with my team.